I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling cheats or switching to creative so you can place or remove job sites quickly. Next, get the villager and put a workstation like a lectern or smithing table within pathing range. This assigns a profession immediately. Once placed, trade wants to lock that profession so future trades align with its table. Make sure the villager can reach the block and that no other villager can claim it. Doing this now prevents random reassignment later. Once the profession is set, you can shape specific trades two ways. For survival control, repeatedly trade or use bottles to level the villager and exhaust offers, then they'll refresh with new deals tied to the workstation. For precise changes, use /data merge entity on the villager and paste an offer's JSON object to set exact trades. This requires careful syntax and admin access. Alternatively, zombify and cure the villager to reset its trades. Then give it the workstation you want so the new trade table matches your goal. You finish by thoroughly testing every trade tier. Buy or sell until offers refresh and confirm the quantities and costs match your plan. Make sure the workstation remains accessible so the villager won't switch professions. If you need permanence, name the villager or physically isolate it. If trades don't update, break and replace the workstation, verify pathing, or repeat zombify and cure to force a reset. One key troubleshooting tip. If changes don't apply, wait a few server ticks and recheck workstation, claim before editing data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.